Even God rested on the 7th day. And it's 8 o'clock, man. At night, 8 o'clock for night. That's a police coming. So in 10 minutes it will be 9 o'clock. Until next time, prefer. I see. Put the society down, man. Because for the past days, you know, this is all the way I can talk for you to understand what I'm saying. Probably, mate. I guess I'm trying to acclimatize. It's not me, it's just the thing that is forcing to come outside by itself. Our Father, hey God, I dey live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things where my guys they do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Otedola no do paso, Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink up so? Despite no do paso, Ajepon no do paso, Bolare no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink up so? I dey clear my line go on daily basis. Things I've been through got me feeling like Matrix. I know numbers, I good in mathematics. It's all about the papers, got you for no D's. Notice, see, I not be novice. Back I'm in the building, I'm in the wrong things. Trying to be a good example to these young kids, my own kids. Something I feel like trumpets. I get big man money, what for a child dish. Oatmeal in the morning, no Gary and fried fish. The fattest, I'm dope and classic. Got my basic, check the book of Moses with my glasses. Focus on my grasses, I'm a mad piece. I don't speak jack by janties. I replace self the track before I fly. I'm not gonna let anybody tell me so I know the track. I live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things where my guys they do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Otedola no do paso, Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink up so? My matter did their head like saying a quakere. They say you tell me Sabi or my kekere. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Pakam right here in case you're seeing the face for the first time. And for my returning viewers, Afana. Yeah, it's day 7 in the United Kingdom. And you know, I know you'll be expecting me to go for a run, but even God rested on the 7th day. It's this soft. Kilo shele. I beg today I say I just take and slow, you know. I just it's currently 8 p.m. right now in the United Kingdom, and the weather is about 14 degrees Celsius. Whoa! I'm on my PJ, now my nightwear I wear, so if I don't prepare to go sleep. I was having a lazy day today, so I don't prepare to go sleep. But I just say, I don't do day 1 to day 6 now. Make I just do day 7 so that it go complete that cycle when I try to do, you know. So today I'm resting. I rested today. No exercise, no run, no. I just day inside since morning. Just they have a lazy day like that, you know. So since it's 8 o'clock and day never dark now, so yeah, make I just take a walk to the park, then make I fly my drone. So I give you a drone shot of the city pack, you know what I mean? You know, it rained. It has been raining during the day. It has been raining all day. Now night we don't reach, but I don't know. Oh, that's a nice roof, man. I like that car. Maybe I go buy it if I get money. If I get money. So it rained all day, and you know, it's a little bit cold right now. But man, look at me. I wear nightwear. See my camouflage nightwear. You try for Nigeria, then frog jump. Let's start with the jump. Frog jump. You know? For me, I just wear around till the stroll like this. And it's fine. Very sweet. Up to down a ninth way. So I'm heading to the park. The park is about, you should already know by now if you've been watching the running videos, just a few steps away, like the fourth, no, almost a mile. No, 0.30 miles. So guys, how's it been so far with y'all? What's cooling? That's a police coming. No, it's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. I never see police since I come safe. Abi? Oh man, the chilly weather. So I won't spend a lot of time at the park though. I just stay there, make cool not go finish me. Yo, so what's up everybody? Like I said, it's 8 p.m. in the evening and I'm just taking a walk to the park so I can fly my drone. You know, it's 8 o'clock, it has been raining all day and I didn't run today, no exercise. I just decided to go out for a few walks. Make I not just day like that, you know. I just stretch the leg, make the leg, you know, see, I still be alive and I use them. You know what I mean? That's what I mean. I'll see you when I get there. Peace out. Peace out. Man, it's 8 o'clock, man. It's 2 minutes after 8 at night. 8 o'clock for night. It's so funny, man. So I do night walk. I'm walking at the night. I'm walking at night. 8 o'clock, night, day, night. Okay. I'll be walking 8 o'clock in the United Kingdom. The park is soaked with water, man. That's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm here now, guys. So I'm just trying to get somewhere I can sit. It's cold. Can you see that? It's cold, man. I'm trying to get where I can sit, but will I see everybody come outside today? Oh man. Waking Nah, use nah. Okay, I can just probably try to fly it here and see. It's just a freestyle, so. But I wanted to see them actually. It's okay. Let's do this. DJI is requesting to send a code to my Ghana number, and I haven't used the app for a while, so it got uninstalled on my phone, and now for me to be able to use it, I have to reinstall it. So in the process of reinstalling this, it's asking to send a code to my line, which I don't have it in any phone right now. Even if it's here, I don't know, man. Oh snap! This is crazy. That's okay, you can go through. Thanks.
Drone.
Yeah. I'm trying to fly the drone.
It's not flying.
No, I haven't used it for some time, and the app is not longer installed here. So it's requesting me to reinstall, and it wants to send a code to a SIM card which I don't have yet.
Which you use in registering it, kind of.
Yeah. Some stuff. So I don't even have a pin to open this phone. I'm not just prepared for this. You're from Nigeria, huh?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
You've been Nigeria for you? Now YouTube package, baby.
Yeah. So
it don't make sense. What I just see.
So this now. Yeah. Guys, unfortunately, I'm not able to fly the drone. I need the SIM card is right over here. Can you see? but I don't have pin to insert it into the phone. So plan crushed. But notwithstanding, I just still want to sit down and probably just any need if I just go out now. Time right now is still it's 8:28 p.m. almost 8:30 in the evening, you know. Well, man, we just there now. I try to walk now. Let me just walk back home. Oh, I don't know. The video ruined, but don't worry. By all means, I still need to share the drone experience here at this park. I'll prepare myself. I just didn't prepare myself when coming. That's why it ended that way. I charged the drone. I didn't know I have to test it before bringing it over. But it's cool. No shaking. All the chairs are still occupied, so there's nowhere I can sit. And the grass is wet. It's wet too. It's wet too. Yeah, so are you still with me? Anyway, I just want to show you what it looks like anyways. I know this video isn't really too special, but I've seen a nighttime looking like a daytime before. You probably haven't. So that's why. It's 8:50 now. It's almost 9 o'clock p.m. and it's still not dark. You see? So in 10 minutes it will be 9 o'clock. That's why I wanted you to see what it looks like. Yeah, I wanted you to yeah, I want you to see what it looks like. What 9 o'clock or maybe 8 o'clock look like. And I just did that. So now you've seen. It's still a little bright outside, and I'm walking back home from the park. I actually tried to throw my drone, but it didn't work out. So it's not me, it's just the thing that is forcing to come outside by itself. You know, I'm getting acclimatized. So it's not me though. It's just trying to come out by himself. It's just trying to come out by itself. I guess I'm trying. I'm trying to acclimatize for the society that I'm in. Because for the past days, I've been talking to everybody, and everybody be like, they're talking like they got something in their throat, and when they're talking, they keep talking like, talking like, you know. That's the reason why I'm also trying to talk like that. You know, this is all the way I can talk for you don't understand what I'm saying, probably, mate. Anyways, thanks for staying to the end of the video. I'll probably see you on the next one. Until then, love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your families and friends so they can see and know what it looks like 8 o'clock p.m. in the UK this season. It's not always going to be like this. Know what I mean? Until the next time, brother. I see you. I send you my love. Bye for now.